Hello, my friends. Welcome back to Talk Fluent. I'm Sara, and today we'll explore something simple but truly powerful: the morning habits of fluent English learners. Many people believe fluency comes from grammar books, long hours of study, or complicated lessons. But that's not the full story. Fluency grows slowly, like a tree, and the roots of that tree are your daily habits. How you begin your morning matters. Your energy, your focus, your first thoughts, they shape the way. You learn more than you realize. Maybe you've tried many things: downloading apps, watching videos, joining classes, even living abroad. And yet, sometimes, something still feels missing. You still pause when you speak. You still translate in your head. You still feel a little nervous in real conversations. But what if the missing piece isn't a new method, but a new morning? What if small, gentle actions each morning could slowly change how you feel about English and about yourself? That's what today's episode is about. I'll share 7 morning habits that fluent English speakers often follow. And don't worry, they're all simple. You can do them anywhere: at home, on the bus, even while brushing your teeth. You don't need much time, only a little consistency. So, get comfortable. Take a deep breath. And let's begin your English morning together. Habit number 1. Start your day in English. Fluent learners often begin their morning connected to the language. It can be something very small: a quiet thought in English, a soft "Good morning, world," or even a little self-talk about what you see around you. When you wake up, your mind is calm, fresh, and open. That's the perfect time to let English in. That quiet moment in the morning is perfect for a little English. Try to notice what's around you and say it in English. I'm still sleepy. My room feels cold. I can hear the birds outside. Simple, honest thoughts like these slowly train your mind to think in English. And when English connects to your real life, it stops feeling like a school subject. It becomes part of who you are. You don't need perfect words or long sentences. Just begin your day with a few English thoughts. Even 3 or 4 lines are enough. You can also write something short on your phone, maybe a gentle reminder to yourself. Today, I'll be kind. Today, I'll stay positive. It doesn't matter what the words are. What matters is that your mind wakes up in English before the day truly begins. Over time, this small routine changes everything. You stop translating in your head. You start to feel English, not just study it. All right, let's move to habit number 2. Listen while you do small things. Fluent learners don't wait for the perfect time to practice. They use everyday moments. When they make breakfast, they play a short podcast. When they brush their teeth, they listen to a story or a song. When they walk to work, they listen to someone speaking in English. They don't need silence or a classroom, just curiosity. Because listening is like giving water to a plant. A little every day keeps your English fresh and alive. Don't worry if you miss some words. You don't have to understand everything. Even if you catch half, your ears are still learning. And your brain is slowly getting used to the sound and rhythm of real English. With time, you'll start to notice phrases, hear patterns, and understand meanings without translating. That's how fluent people listen. Not to study, but to feel the language. You don't need hours. 5 or 10 minutes is enough. The secret isn't how long you listen, it's how often you do it. If you begin each morning with just a few minutes of English sound, your brain will quietly switch into English mode. Later, when you speak, you'll notice something different. Your words come out faster, smoother, more natural. Morning listening builds a calm, confident rhythm with the language. It stops being homework. It becomes part of your day. All right, let's move to habit number 3. Read something small, but do it every day. Fluent speakers love to read in the morning. They don't read for hours. They just read a little. Maybe a single page. Maybe a short article. Maybe just a few lines that inspire them. Something gentle and motivating to start the day. Reading in the morning is a gentle way to wake your mind with English. There's no pressure, no studying, just a calm moment. With words you enjoy. You can read about anything. Travel, food, motivation, sports, whatever makes you smile. The topic doesn't matter. What matters is that you like it. When you enjoy what you read, your brain relaxes, and English words start to stay with you longer. Keep a small English book by your bed, or read something short on your phone. Even 2 or 3 minutes are enough. Try to make it part of your morning routine. For example, after your first sip of water or coffee, read one short paragraph in English. It becomes a small, pleasant ritual that starts your day on a positive note. Little by little, you'll notice the difference. You'll understand faster. New words will feel familiar. And soon, you'll find yourself thinking more in English. Because reading quietly feeds your thoughts. It's like giving your brain a soft English breakfast each morning. Now, habit number 4. Speak out loud, even when you're alone. It might sound strange, but it works. Many fluent speakers talk to themselves during the day. They describe what they're doing or how they feel. They might say, "I'm boiling water. I can't find my keys. I feel ready for today." It doesn't matter if nobody's listening. It doesn't matter if you make mistakes. Speaking out loud helps your brain and your mouth work together. Your tongue and lips start to move naturally, and you get used to hearing your own voice in English. That's how confidence grows. If you're shy, whisper softly. Or imagine you're chatting with a friend. The goal isn't perfect grammar, it's connection. Connecting your thoughts to your voice. So, every morning, say a few small things in English. Maybe while making tea, just smile and say, "I love the smell of tea." When you look in the mirror, in the morning, smile and tell yourself, I'm ready for today. It sounds simple, but these little moments slowly build your confidence. Let's move to habit number 5. Spend a few minutes reviewing something you've already learned. Fluent English speakers know a secret. You don't master something by learning it once. You master it by meeting it again and again. That's why many of them take a few quiet minutes each morning to review. They might look at new words from the day before. Repeat a few useful expressions. Or replay a short video they enjoyed earlier. The morning is perfect for this. Your mind is clear, calm, and ready to remember. And here's the truth. Review isn't boring, it's smart. It's the reason English starts to sound natural and automatic. So if you want to grow faster, don't rush to new lessons all the time. Go back. Repeat. Let old knowledge become part of you. Those short, quiet reviews do more than you think. They turn practice into progress, and progress into confidence that stays with you all day. All right. Habit number 6, write one small thought. Writing is such a gentle way to begin your morning. It clears your mind and opens a quiet space for English to flow. You don't need to write much, just a line or two. Maybe about how you feel, what you want to do today, or something you're thankful for. For example, I feel calm today, or I'm happy to meet my friends. Writing helps you slow down and connect your feelings with English words. It also lets you see how far you've come. Many fluent speakers keep a small English journal. They write just a few lines each morning, simple, calm, and honest. Now, habit number 7, set one small goal for your day. Fluent learners start their mornings with a clear, gentle goal. Something small, but meaningful. It keeps them focused and motivated. Your goal could be to listen to one English podcast or to use a new word. It doesn't need to be big. Small goals are easier and they build real progress. And that's it for today. Thank you for spending this quiet moment with me here on Talk Fluent. I'm Sara. I hope today's episode inspires you to build your own soft, simple morning routine in English. Remember, small steps taken every day bring big changes over time. You're doing great. Keep going. Keep learning. And keep living your English. See you next time.